welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Yej here, and today I will be talking to you about how you can start your own YouTube channel, because I have been asked so many times, and I just thought, why not create a video about it? It's not my regular video. Obviously I'm a big foodie, so I am not cooking today, so I thought I would help answer all your questions basically. And also I am celebrating a milestone of 2,000 subs, so I am so grateful guys, and to celebrate that I am having another giveaway. But before I get into that, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do not forget to do so and click on that red button and join the family. Okay, let's get into the video. Okay, so number one thing, so the first thing you need to think about before you start a YouTube channel is you need to find your own niche. Okay, so something you're very passionate about. In my own case, obviously it's the cooking. I love cooking, and it's therapeutic. So if you have something that you know you will never get bored of and you enjoy doing and you're passionate about, then definitely that is something you need to start your YouTube channel about. So if you have no idea on what to do, that is a good start. We don't want you going all over the place, you know, but you know, loads of people have different talents. You have people in beauty and doing fashion and doing hauls and all sorts, and you have other people who like loves to knit. Again, that could be their niche. My niche is cooking, so that's number one thing that you need to obviously look into. So if there is something that you know you are passionate about and you would not get bored of doing and you're excited about, that is your niche. That is what you need to start your YouTube channel on. And find a nice name. Find a name that you know you're not going to get bored of. You're not going to keep changing because you're like, oh, I don't want that name. It's, you know, it doesn't really suit my personality right now. Or you feel like you've grown up a little bit. It just doesn't go with you. So make sure you find that name that obviously basically describes what your channel is about, describes you, and that you would love, because that will be your brand. So that is something that you'll be known for. Okay, so make sure you also have a brilliant name that obviously relates to what you're doing as well on your channel. The next one, number two, I would say brainstorm video ideas, because you will get yourself really stressed out if every single day you're thinking, oh my gosh, what am I going to do now? Oh my goodness, what am I going to do now? It's a great idea to have at least 50 ideas if you can. And no one is saying those 50 ideas you have to stick by those. You know, you might feel, oh no, that's not really good, I'm not really interested in that, but just have it written down somewhere so you don't have that extra pressure. It's meant to be fun. For me, YouTube is meant to be fun, and if you don't find it fun and you're not enjoying it, that's not a good thing. So this is what I said, you need to be passionate about it, because if you're passionate about it, you want to do it, and then you will have so much ideas because it's just what you love to do. Number three, you need to choose some equipment for YouTube. Before I started, I had to think, oh my gosh, am I going to use my phone? Am I going to use a camera? Do I need to get light? Blah blah blah. But everyone would say to you, you don't need to go out and do all of those things. Okay, if you have a great mobile phone, then you can start with that. But something that you definitely need is lighting. If it's natural lighting, you know, make sure you record when there's nice sunlight going on out there to give your video a nice bright feel. No one wants to watch a dull video, you're gonna fall asleep. We don't want that. You need it to be all nice and bright. Okay, and that's one thing I would definitely say is a must, which is like good lighting. Camera, you don't really need that. If you've got a good phone, phones have got a really good camera on them lately, or right now should I say. Okay, number four, you need to decide what day you want to film and what day you want to upload, because if you have a schedule, you tend to stick to it a bit better. Don't be so blasé about it, like, oh yeah, I can do that tomorrow, I can do that this, you know, I'll find time for it. Because what will happen is you begin to, you know, slack, really. Again, I'm quite lucky in a way that cooking, you cook every single day. So you really have there is no reason for you not to, there's always going to be recordings, to be fair. So there is no reason why I will be stuck on something. And I love creating new ideas, creating new type of food and things like that. So I try to upload at least once a week. I would say that's like the bare minimum. You have to be, you know, I'm gonna go into consistency very soon, but bare minimum, try and do it once a week. If you can do more than once, like twice or 3 times a week, oh my goodness, like amazing. That is just brilliant if you could do that, because it just shows how people want to watch how excited you are. People want to see what you're passionate about. People want to follow you and they want to see what you're about. So the more you upload, the better it is, and it's just nicer. I wish I could do 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 every single day. If I could do that, that would be amazing, but let's see how it goes. I'm still starting myself, so like we're still enjoying this, and we are still gonna keep enjoying this. So it's always good to have something written down, you know. Oh my goodness, I have to do this. Like, oh, I have to go to work today. Oh, I have to go to church today. Oh, I have to do this today. As long as you have those, just create a YouTube channel. Just do it. Create it. Go onto YouTube. As long as you've got a Gmail, it's even easier. But it doesn't take you a second to get a Gmail account. Literally, just create a YouTube channel. Just do it. And when you've done it, you feel, oh my gosh, I've done it. There is no holding you back. Don't hold yourself back. Especially this year has been quite an odd year. And it's just like 2020, it's like there is so much good. What better time to start a YouTube channel than this year? Like, you can look back at it with all the negativity going on in the world. There will be some light, like bring some light to all the negativity going on, and you can look back to your 2020 and be like, yeah, I started my YouTube channel, I did this, I did that, and I did this. Like, right now is the best time to start. Most people are at home, and if you're not at home, you're working at reduced time or something at work or whatever, but things have changed. This is not our norm, so this is just the best time. Like, life is too short. You just need to grab it and go if that is what you want to do. Like I said, before this year, I have never thought about YouTube at all, and this year I literally started a YouTube channel overnight. I did not think about it, I just did it. But that's the kind of personality I have though. I try not to dwell on things. If I want to do something, I just do it like that. I don't beat around the bush about it. And I think with this, it has helped me in that way. So yeah, just start that YouTube channel, get your name out there, and just be you and enjoy it, because it is fun, but it is hard work. No one tells you about the hard work that goes into YouTube. It is hard work. Editing all my life. I literally had to teach myself. I taught myself how to edit as I went along. So I shot my first video, and then after shooting the first video, I literally was like, right, okay, so I've got this right now. Shoot the first video. Whatever it is, sit in front of your camera and just be you. There is no one else around you. It doesn't matter. It does not matter. It's just you and the camera. So how hard could it be? You're talking to yourself, basically. Like, you're just talking to yourself, you know, as you do. You're just chilling. So yeah, literally, you're just at home and you just film that. Just film it. Just film that video, and then be like me. I was like, right, so I've got this right now. What do I do? And I literally taught myself how to edit, and I do stuff, and I'm still teaching myself every single day. I'm doing it every single time because it's all new to me. Okay, so but I can see the improvement in all my videos the more I do it. So the more you do things, like, practice makes perfect. Okay, so the more you do something, the better you get at it. So that's what I'm going to say. So it's just you. It's not a job. If you've got an Instagram, what's the difference? If you've got Snapchat, what's the difference? If you've got Twitter, okay, I wouldn't say Twitter, but if you've got those kind of social platforms, what's the difference? You're still putting yourself out there, and you know, you can share whatever you have in your head, whatever you have in your thoughts. You can share it, because you don't know who actually wants to listen to that message, or who wants to see that thing, or who's struggling to learn about a certain thing, and you will be there to actually give them a solution, like just like that, like in your, like just like that. Do you know what gift that is? It's just amazing. Like, you feel good within yourself, especially when you engage with people and they tell you, oh my gosh, you just helped me with that. Oh, that is the best feeling ever. Guys, I just want to appreciate everyone right now. Like, I love you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for just being part of my family. Okay, reverting back. Let's move on to the next. But after editing as well, you need to think about a thumbnail. A thumbnail is very important. So a thumbnail could easily be, you know, something from the video. You take a snap of it, or just get like an app like Canva or like Adobe Photoshop. Those ones you will pay for that one, Adobe Photoshop or whatever, and take a picture, do whatever, and just add a thumbnail for that. But if I look back at my first video, do not judge me, I was like looking all over the place, like, you know, what are you looking at? Like, when I'm watching, I'm like, what are you looking at? Like, seriously, Gage, what are you looking at? But I was just like that. I was like, yeah. So like when you're making a pepper bronze, you like, you learn, guys, you learn. I did it, you will do it. You just learn. Just upload the video. Don't overthink it. I think people like this, our times right now, everyone is thinking about, oh my gosh, what will this person think? What will this set of people think? What will my friends think? What will my family think? Who cares what anyone thinks? As long as you're happy and you're doing what you want and you like what you're doing and you're enjoying what you're doing, that is all that matters. No one else matters but you. You're the only one that matters, so you do you, ignore everyone else. And as long as that is that mentality that you have, that is the mentality that you have, that's it. Say no more. Like, comment, share. Like it yourself, even if you have to. Because you've done the video, you must like it. If you don't like it, we'll also like it. You have to like it first. Basically, if you don't like every video, how do you expect other people to like it? Even the ones that I'm like, oh my gosh, why do I look like a hot mess? Which I'm kind of looking like a hot mess again today, but I'm still gonna like it because I like me. I love me. So as long as you are confident and you love yourself, girl, boy, no one cares. Just do you. Make sure that you have, if you have a social platform like Instagram or Snapchat, share it out. If people don't like it, it doesn't matter. It's your social network. You can do whatever you want. You can share it to them. If they want to do something about it, they can. If they don't want to, they can't. Some people actually want to watch it thinking, let's see how crap she is, or she's got a YouTube channel. Doesn't matter, because they're still giving you those views. It doesn't matter. So just do it. Comment, share, tell people to share it around. If you've got a WhatsApp group, send it around and just get people talking about it. And just, you know, even if you've got like five views, it is fine. That 5 views will grow. Like, I am still a newbie, let's be fair. I'm a baby. I'm a small YouTuber. Should I call myself a YouTuber? I am a YouTuber because I'm on YouTube, but I'm like itty tiny. So yeah, but just do you. It's your platform. You can do whatever you want to do on that. So share it to as many people as you want and let everyone support you. And one of the last one I will say is just stay consistent. Yeah, because I know what it's like. Imagine cooking and then you've got camera or you've got lights in your way. Like on a normal day I just want to cook and out of there, but then when I'm recording, then I'm having to move the camera. Like I'm like, I can't record when I'm starving because it's all over. It's just not possible. Like I'm thinking I want to eat right now. So who has time to start moving cameras and moving lights? You just want to whip that thing and get out of the kitchen and you're done. Okay, and I am all about let's get quick in the kitchen. We don't want to sleep in the kitchen, you know what I mean? And I literally cook like at least 3 times a day, but I might just record maybe twice a week basically. But yeah, but stay consistent and just give yourself a day that, right, Sundays and Wednesdays for example, I'm gonna record, and Monday and Thursday I'm going to edit it so I can obviously upload it onto YouTube. Just set yourself like a little time in which you're going to do it. okay, I hope that has helped, because I have had friends and people asking me like, how do I start a YouTube channel, how did you start a YouTube channel, and those are the steps that I have taken in order to start my YouTube channel. So I hope it does help, and if it does, do not forget to give it do not forget to comment below so I know. And if there are any ideas or things that you actually do want to do, I would love to hear about it. Just comment below and then we can have a little chat about it as well. Okay, right, now to the giveaway, guys. Right, I am like so thankful, and like I said, just from a young lady over here, and I just want to appreciate every single one of you for all your support. I sincerely I appreciate every single one of you guys out there. Like my family, I am just, you guys are family. You guys are my YouTube family, and I love you all to bits, and I am so thankful that you are on this journey with me. And yeah, if there's any of you out there that do want to start a YouTube channel, just go for it, guys. Like, look at me, I'm going for it. Why not go for it too? So yeah, literally just go for it and just do it. But thank you so much for the 2,000 subscribers. Like, I'm just so thankful, and I really appreciate you all. And again, I did promise my 1,000 subs that when I reach 2,000 I will be having another giveaway, and I always stay true to my promise. So here it is. Okay guys, so the giveaway is £100 each for 2 people, which makes it £200. So last time was £100 for 1 person, this time is 2k. So I thought, make it 2 people. So in order to be entered in for the giveaway, you need to follow some steps. First one, you need to be subscribed to my channel. Second one, you need to follow me on my Instagram at Dine with Duddess, which I am putting down below right now. Number 3, you need to tag 2 or more of your family or friends. The more people you tag, the more you are entered in for the giveaway. And the giveaway is open for everyone all over or all around the world. So whether you are in Ghana, you're in America, you're in Dubai, you're in Nigeria, you're in the UK, you're in India, wherever, you're in the Philippines, wherever you are in the world, you can enter for this giveaway. The person that won the 1k was in India. So again, I just open it to everyone, because I have such wonderful family here on YouTube, and you're all from all over the world, and that is why I make it a cash giveaway, because it's easier for me to be able to just send it to whoever it is. For example, the person that won the 1k was from India, and yeah, so there was no problems at all in obviously sending that through. Thank you guys for watching, thank you guys for supporting, and hope you're all keeping safe. And yeah, I'll see you on my next video, so stay tuned and stay sweet. Bye.